Hey there, Para folks. Here's how to buy more houseplants in Paralives. If you're looking to add more greenery to your home and feel like the default selection of houseplants isn't enough, you can purchase additional plants from one of the shops in town. To find the plant store, zoom out and view the town from the coastline. Start from this cliff with the tower and move your camera upward until you spot the park near the center of town. Zoom in and look for this pink-colored shop beside the well with the bloom sign. That's the flower and plant shop. Have your para visit the store during its opening hours so you can access the interior. Once inside, browse the available plants and decorations on display. If you find a houseplant you like, simply click on it and purchase it. Doing so will add that plant to your build mode catalog. Feel free to browse around and buy as many different plants as you'd like to expand your decorating options. Afterward, return to your home and open build mode. Navigate to furnishings, then decors, and select the plant category. You'll find all the houseplants you've purchased available there. Just place them wherever you want to add a bit of life and color to your home. It may help to remember the names of the plants you bought so you can find them more easily in the catalog later. And that's basically all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.